Hi guys, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to get poll option or feature in WhatsApp. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Poll option is not showing in your WhatsApp, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, open your settings, go to the apps, search your WhatsApp, open your WhatsApp, press on full stop, press on OK, then press on storage, press on clear cache, then go back, open your Play Store, then search your WhatsApp. If your WhatsApp not up to date, then update your WhatsApp. After update, open your WhatsApp, then press on attach icon. You can see here poll option is showing. You can open from here. So in this way you get poll option in WhatsApp. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.